Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part 125, and today we are going to discuss the fadeout function. Alright, so before I proceed, I'm assuming that you're having a jQuery file imported in your project and you have added the reference of that into your head section. Next, you have written some JavaScript code in order to execute jQuery instructions, which is right here. Next, let's check up the markup. In markup, you can see I have one h2. I got one div. Within that, I got two paragraphs, and in the end, I have one button which says fade me out. So now let's look at the markup first. So if I'm looking at this, you can see this is h2. These are the paragraphs, and this is a div who's having a blue in color and border is 5 pixels, and this is fade me out. So this blue color and border, everything comes from this, actually nothing fancy. So now let's talk about the fade out. So what fade out means, it hides the set of elements which you're specifying. So if I click like this over here, and if I say I want to fade out this element, so let's see what happens. So you can see the element goes away, right? So that's a fade out, the opposite of fade in. Okay, so let's see how that thing is done in jQuery. So this is my button, and on this button click, I have registered on document.ready, and I said when this button is clicked, I want to fade out. But you want to fade out what? So I mentioned that I want to fade out a div who's having a class blue. So if I look at this document, so I can only see one div element, all right, and I have to fade out. So I have to hide it. So that's what it does, right? So let's see that in action one more time. And I do refresh and I do fade out. So this must go away. Alright, so that's pretty simple, right? So I hope you understand now how the fade out works. Up next, we're going to start with the fade toggle. So I hope to see you there. And once again, thank you for your time on this, and thank you for listening to me.